Oh, is it? They both make the same sound.
Yeah, they do. What about z? You have z. I want z. So, what about sh? Sh. What about qua? Ink. Now I'm gonna point and I want you to give me the sounds, okay?
B.
B.
S.
You said s. Is that what you see? It does make a sound, but what else does it make? K. Good job.
D. G.
So we are gonna learn the hungry rule. So, Jack, do you have a favorite dessert?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. What kind of ice cream do you like?
Mint chip and chocolate.
Ooh, sounds good.
Or vanilla with chocolate sauce.
Ooh, I like vanilla with chocolate sauce. Okay. Do you want it like in a cup or a cone?
Cone, because I never have in a cup. Because whenever I have it in a cup, the cup always has a leaky bottom.
Yeah, I get that. Yeah. So think of your favorite dessert, okay? Think of that. Keep that in mind, okay? Your vanilla with chocolate sauce. So we're going to learn the hungry rule. And the hungry rule has these endings. So these are going to be your endings. So it's not going to be in the beginning, middle. It's going to be at the end of a word, okay? And they have two pieces. They have a small piece and a big piece. And as you can see, Jack, all of these, the smaller piece is just one
extra letter.
Yeah.
Or one more letter of the same, or one extra letter.
Yeah, you just get rid of the first big letter. So for GE, you get rid of D. And then for TCH, you get rid of the T. The smaller piece is always just one. You just get rid of the first letter of the big piece.
Okay.
But even though it's a small piece and a big piece, they all make the same sound. So this one makes a sound. I want you to repeat after me. This one makes a sound. This one makes a k. And this one makes a ooh. Like an L. Ooh.
Ooh.
There we go. This makes a ch. And this will make a j sound, like a J. J. Yeah. J. So these sounds, do you have any questions, Jack?
Probably a comment. You know the CK?
Yeah.
The name says spelled JACK.
Exactly. And you know why?
That's right, spells Jack.
Yeah, but keep that in mind, okay? Because there's two pieces, small piece and big piece for each sound. So let's go, for example, your name, Jack. J, A, you hear in the beginning, and you hear a k sound at the end. So if it's at the end and it's a k sound, that's going to either be K or CK, right?
Yeah, but it's CK.
Yeah, because, Jack, think of the dessert. So pretend you have your dessert. If you are by yourself, you will probably get a big piece, right, of your ice cream. Vanilla ice cream with chocolate sauce. But what if I'm there? You would want to share with me, right? Then you will get a smaller piece because you're sharing with someone else, right? So think of that. So you are the vowel. You are the A. And you're going to go and read from left to right. Is there a friend next door?
No.
No, you are by yourself. So you will get a big piece of your ice cream because you are by yourself. You're not going to be sharing with anyone. Does that make sense?
My name is Solo. So, my name is Solo. There's no other name with that.
Yeah, like Jack. But if I have a friend, for example, if I had this is not a real word, but if I were just gonna pretend, and there was a friend next door, you would get a smaller piece of that dessert because you're gonna be sharing. Because look at that.
Well, wait, so you're saying if a K
Mhm.
or a S or F or L
Mhm.
or C or CH or DGE, or GE is next to vowel,
Mhm.
it has that one extra letter?
Yes, like the sounds of these. Yeah.
So it has to be directly next to the vowel.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yes. We'll keep practicing. So that's first thing was your name. So another example is let's do let's do this word. Rack. Rack. So similar to Jack, the vowel doesn't have a friend, right? Next to it. And you hear what sound do you hear at the end? Rack.
And C at the end.
Is that one of our ending sounds?
The CK. CK.
CK or K. But remember, I told you it doesn't have a friend, then you're going to use the bigger piece, right?
There's no friend next door, so the vowel. So hold on. So the vowel's the ice cream giver. And if there's no one to give you it, so they can have a bite, and then give the final letter a bite, then it goes into a big piece because they both eat the ice cream together. Correct?
Yeah, you could think of it that way. Yeah. If there's only one vowel. But look, what if I have a friend? What if I want a new word? Ranch. The N. Ch. Is ch one of the ending sounds?
CH.
There's CH and TCH. So now look at this. The vowel, we're still looking at the vowel. Does it have a friend next door?
Yes, so it goes like this. Okay, so it's like you have two chocolate balls. This is what my teacher taught me math. You have two chocolate bars. One person takes out one. You have one left. That means it can only have one letter. Though if it's right there, there's two chocolate bars. No one to give it to. Therefore, it's two because because it's two people for one of the letters. So do they split into two? I think so.
Yeah, so are you going to use a smaller piece or big piece then?
Smaller piece.
Smaller piece because you're going to be sharing. Yeah. Yeah. So you're going to use the smaller piece of dessert. Does that make sense, Jack? Okay. Let me teach you another one. What if I have another vowel as a friend? So I want loaf, like a loaf of bread. So oaf. What ending do you hear? Loaf.
No F.
F.
So it'll be a double F. So just wait. This really gets confusing. So if you have the LONA, then an F, does it still count because there's another vowel?
Yeah. So that's a good point. Yeah, good job on thinking that. So yes, we say yes because it's another friend, even though it's a vowel. So the first vowel is the O. It still has a friend, so it wants to share its dessert. So we would want a smaller piece. Okay. So we always look at the first vowel, and if it has a friend next to it, then we use a smaller piece.
So you're saying if my name was, actually, if you take in Spanish, the J is actually H, so my name would be Hack. And then, but if you take away the J, take away the A, replace with an N, replace it with a O, replace it with a A, and replace it with a J. No, so you do that, and then you put in Wait, I have a question. Does Jack work? Like you spell it Jack and then JACK?
So Jack is not a real word. So it would be spelled like this. But Jack is a real word, so you would, because remember I told you, these endings are only going to be at the end. So that is why it's CK, Jack, like this. Yeah, there are some cases where it's not, but
I just thought of another word. Yes, my cat. His name is Puss. Puss.
Yeah, because the vowel it's by itself, right?
Yep.
Okay, good job. So do you have any questions with the hungry rule, Jack?
No.
Okay, we'll keep practicing these, but now let's move on to practicing these words. So I'm gonna tell you the words, and I want you to read. I want you to spell it for me on the chat. Type it in. So do you see the chat that I gave you, Jack, right now?
Oh, yeah.
I said hi. So the first word I want you to type for me or spell for me is fess.
Should I do it on a piece of paper because I don't see the chat.
Jack, do you want to tell me the letters instead? Would that be easier for you?
I think it's there. Okay, I just gotta find out where to send it.
It's okay. Okay, you tell me what to bring down. So fess.
Fess will be FASS.
FASS. Okay, close. You have ass, fast.
Wait, flow? Oh, flows.
Nope, wait, I want S.
Flat. Oh. Take out the A, put the E in.
Put an E in. Good job. So remember, sound it out. That's good. Next word, fetch. So let's sound it out.
F E C H. No, TH. No, TCH.
TCH, you need a big piece. Good job. Remember, sound it out. What does this say?
Fetch.
Good job. Next word, feck. Can you say the word feck?
Feck.
Now let's sound it out.
That was okay, so we got that.
Sound it out.
CK.
So what do I need to bring up?
You gotta return the TCH and put it with a CK.
What does that say?
Fetch. No.
Fetch. Good job.
Tidge.
Good job.
Tiff. Test. Tedge. Sage.
Bell.
B. Oh no, that's short vowel. B E L L. Is that it?
Are you done with it?
Yeah.
Yeah, bell. Good job. Ranch.
R E. No, re. So let's see. Re. E. Yes. Ch, ch. T. C. H.
Sorry, did you say P or T?
T.
T.
Ranch. Remember? Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, you have retch. Retch.
Oh.
I want
Re.
ranch.
Re.
So what makes
Re.
ah?
A. You need A.
And then what do you hear next? Ranch.
Re. No, that's was ranch. Ranch. Oh, that was
What sound is that? Ran.
land.
Ranch.
Ranch.
You're missing a letter here. What sound do you hear? Ranch.
N.
N. So if there's an N, there's a friend. Do I need a big
T. You gotta take away the T.
dog?
Sorry, T.
Yeah, it does. So let's read these words. What does that say?
Said.
You said said.
So. Add.
Sad.
Red.
Red.
Pet. Fix.
Phrase read these. What does that say?
My friends.
So phrase read it. My friends.
My friends.
We could go.
We called go.
We could go.
Would go.
Some people.
Some people
Who help them.
who help them
Feel glad.
feel glad
On a golf trip.
on a golf trip.
There we go. Do you want to do it by yourself? What does that say?
My friends, some people feel glad we could go. Who help them
Yeah.
on a golf trip.
Good job.